Did you know that the AI industry is projected to create over 97 million new jobs by 2025, making it create over 97 sectors in the world? The rise of AI has opened up new opportunities for creators to monetize their content in ways that were previously unimaginable. And with the world slowly shifting towards automation, it's no surprise that AI channels are becoming the talk of the town. In today's digital landscape, having an AI channel can be a game changer for anyone looking to boost their earnings. The best part? It's easier than ever to get started. One of the biggest advantages of AI channels is their ability to reach a massive audience without breaking the bank. With traditional content creation methods, you'd need to invest a small fortune in marketing and advertising to get your content seen by a large crowd. But with AI, you can target specific demographics and interests with laser-like precision, making every view and engagement count. As we enter 2024, the opportunities for AI channels are only going to grow. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, it's the perfect time to explore this avenue and see how it can benefit your online presence. Creators face a plethora of challenges when it comes to monetizing their content effectively. One of the biggest hurdles is finding a balance between creating high-quality content that resonates with their audience and generating revenue from that content. It's a delicate tightrope to walk, and many creators struggle to find a way to do both without sacrificing one for the other. Another challenge is dealing with the ever-changing algorithms of social media platforms. One day, your content is flying high and getting millions of views, and the next, it's barely getting a trickle of engagement. It's frustrating, to say the least, and can be devastating for creators who rely on their online presence for income. Additionally, creators have to contend with the sheer amount of competition out there. With millions of people creating content online, it's getting increasingly difficult to stand out from the crowd and get noticed. And even when you do get noticed, there's no guarantee that you'll be able to monetize your content effectively. Monetizing content is especially challenging for new creators who don't have an established audience. Without a large following, it's hard to attract brands and sponsors who are willing to pay top dollar for sponsored content. AI can help creators overcome these obstacles by automating certain tasks, freeing up more time to focus on high-quality content creation. It can also help with content distribution, ensuring that your content reaches the right people at the right time. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and provide valuable insights that can inform content strategy. With AI, creators can identify trends, pinpoint what's working and what's not, and adjust their strategy accordingly. Furthermore, AI can help creators diversify their income streams, reducing their reliance on a single source of revenue. This is especially important in today's digital landscape, where platforms can change their rules and algorithms at a moment's notice. Creators are always looking for new ways to earn money from their content, and AI offers a range of opportunities for monetization. From sponsored content to affiliate marketing, AI can help creators identify the most lucrative opportunities and capitalize on them. One of the most exciting aspects of AI is its potential to democratize content creation. With AI tools and platforms, creators can produce high-quality content without breaking the bank or needing extensive technical expertise. When it comes to AI tools and platforms, the options are vast and varied. From content generation tools like AI-powered video editors to platforms that connect creators with brands, there's something out there for everyone. One of the most popular AI tools for content creation is Lumen 5, which uses AI to transform blog posts into engaging videos. It's a game changer for creators who want to repurpose their existing content and reach a wider audience. Another AI tool that's gaining traction is InVideo, which uses AI to automate the video editing process. It's perfect for creators who want to produce high-quality videos without needing extensive editing experience. In terms of platforms, there are plenty of options available for creators who want to leverage AI to boost their earnings. From influencer marketing platforms like Aspire IQ to affiliate marketing platforms like Share a Sale, there's something out there for every type of creator. One of the best ways to see the potential of AI channels is to look at the success stories of creators who have already used them to boost their earnings. Take, for example, the case of a creator who used AI-powered video editing tools to produce high-quality videos that resonated with their audience. By leveraging AI, this creator was able to significantly increase their earnings, going from a few $1,000s a month to over $100,000. It's a testament to the power of AI and its ability to help creators achieve their goals. The key to this creator's success was their ability to identify the most lucrative opportunities and capitalize on them. They used AI to analyze their audience and identify the types of content that resonated with them the most. By creating high-quality content that met the needs of their audience, this creator was able to attract brands and sponsors who were willing to pay top dollar for sponsored content. So, what can we learn from this success story? Firstly, AI channels offer a range of opportunities for creators to boost their earnings. Secondly, identifying the most lucrative opportunities and capitalizing on them is key to success. AI channels are the future of content creation, and it's clear that they are here to stay. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, it's essential to explore this avenue and see how it can benefit your online presence. In today's digital landscape, having an AI channel can be a game changer for anyone looking to boost their earnings. With the ability to automate tasks, analyze data, and diversify income streams, AI offers a range of benefits that traditional content creation methods simply can't match. So, what do you think about AI channels? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on content creation.